Let's break the pattern today or repeat the loop tomorrow. Today, I was feeling very lazy for working. I don't know why, but it was not energetic day, which it is daily for me. Today, I don't want to work. Today, I don't feel better. I don't feel energetic. I feel very lazy. But I worked, I pushed myself to do work, and I just want to share that how I did that. Although I don't really want to work, I just want to just sit and spend my time with family or with myself to just skip the day. I wanted to skip my day, but I really push myself to do the work. So there is a concept which is it is when we think about the work, the effort we have to put on that work, then we feel lazy, which I feel because in my mind I was thinking that I have to sit for 7 to 8 or 9 hours. I have to do a lot of work, a lot of research, because today I have to make script for my content creation. It will be my first script for making. I have learned about the scripting, but today is the day where I have to make script for my first reel. So in my mind, I was just thinking that I have to do a lot of work. That's why I feel lazy. The concept is if you think about the effort which you will put in that work, then you feel more lazy. But instead, if you just imagine what you get after doing that, where you will be after doing that, what you will become after doing that work in your mind, if you think that, then all the efforts which you are thinking, all the laziness which is in your mind and in your body just it will just vanish, and you don't feel more laziness in your body. Because for me, when I was thinking that I have to make that script, I have to do a lot of work, which I did. Right now it is almost 12:30 a.m. at night, everyone is sleeping. I just started working on that from 4 p.m. From then till now I was just working on that. But before that, when I was thinking that I have to do a work, I have to put work, then my mind was saying me that's really hard, you don't have to do that, you always do a lot of work, so we need rest. My mind say me we need rest, but in my vocabulary there is no rest, there is no comfort zone in my for me, which I have set up. I just think about results. That's what we have to do. We don't have to think about effort, we just have to think about results which we get after putting our effort. So I just think that if I will make a script which will be a very killer script, which will make or break my content creation journey in the short form, which if that script will be very good, then reach I will get views to a lot of people who will be interesting in my service. So if I get a client, then I will get paid. So I just think like that, and all of my laziness, all of these things just removed, they just vanish. I did that because of that mind. It was a same mind which was thinking to not do the work, but then that was exactly a same mind which was saying me that I have to do that, because after putting that much effort, the result which I get will be very beneficial for me in the future. That's how I just think. So I just feel to share with you. So it's you can say it's a hack which we can use for doing work. Although I don't want to make that video because right now I was feeling very tired, but that's exactly same which I said my mind again. I basically trigger all of I trigger myself most of the times. I just taught my brain that I have to do that, so I just have to do. When I think that I have to do that shit, then I don't remember any other thing I have to do. And when you get this kind of confidence, this kind of attitude, that's what most of the people don't have. That's what makes a difference from you to from other people. I hope you get my point, and that's the whole thing. And I will also tell you the script which I have made. That script is for the day one. Basically, I am launching all of my content creation, all of my social media presence in the form of a challenge, which will be the day one, day two. In the 30 days series, it will be a proper series of 30 days, and the heading of that series is, it will be day one of helping local business owners to stop losing calls. That's a whole heading. And the script which I have made is, the hook is, I just stole money from 43 local businesses and not a single one knows it happened. That's a hook overall. I have spent a lot of time on making that script. Also, I have made script of day 2, which I will polish tomorrow, because for now I have to record that video, which I am doing right now. So that's the whole thing. That's what helped me to do work on the daily basis. And also on the daily basis, what I do which drives me to do work is, I have set a rule for myself, which is, if I will put effort, if I will put time on work, then I will give reward to myself. That's how I operate, and that's why I do a lot of work, which is like, if I will done all the work which I have set for myself, I have a to-do list which I have to do in a single day. If I will do all of that work, then I will give myself a reward. That reward will be for me, because for me travel is very very amazing. I love to watch traveling videos. I love to watch countries. I love to watch different culturals. What I do is, when I do all of my work, I just watch the videos, traveling videos of many countries which I love. For me, I just give myself a reward like that. Also, who don't like scrolling? So when I done all of my work, I have set a rule that if I do my work, then I will scroll for the 30 minutes, which gives me dopamine, which I feel better, very better, because I have done all of my work. That's why I am doing that. So these are the things which drives me, and you also, which can drive you to do work. The first part which I have covered is, if we think about the effort instead of result we will get, then we will be lazy, we will not do work. And the second one is, we have to reward ourselves when we put our effort. So these two things will obviously make you so much productive that you cannot even imagine. You will be that works for me, and I hope that will also work for you.